Abdullah trains Neville Goddard to shift his state of consciousness, not by trying, but by moving his awareness into the version of himself who already has what he desires. Step-by-step instructions for the two-chair method, teleportation practice. 1. Prepare the chairs. Select 2 ordinary chairs and place them in separate rooms or positions where you cannot see one from the other, e.g., one in your living room, the other in the hallway. This prevents the exercise from becoming mere mental shifting. It's about relocating your entire sense of self. Sit in Chair 1, your current reality, position A. 2. Lock in your current state. Close your eyes and fully feel yourself in Chair 1. Notice the texture of the fabric against your skin, the support under your back and legs, the temperature of the room, any subtle sounds, like distant traffic or your breathing, and even the weight of your body settling into it. Immerse yourself for 10 to 20 seconds until this sensation feels vivid and locked in. This anchors your awareness in the here and now. 3. Relocate consciousness to Chair 2. Without opening your eyes or physically moving, shift your awareness to Chair 2, your desired reality, position B. Don't just imagine it, be there. Feel the different texture, e.g., smoother cushion or harder seat, the new angle of light or air on your skin, the distinct sounds of that room, and the subtle shift in your body's posture. Your physical body remains in Chair 1, but your consciousness teleports to Chair 2. Hold this for 10 seconds, making it as sensory-rich as possible. 4. Return and compare. Gently bring your awareness back to Chair 1. Notice the contrast, the change in weight, atmosphere, or even emotional tone. Does Chair 1 feel heavier or more confined now? This highlights how fluid reality is. 5. Practice the back-and-forth shift. Repeat the relocation 5 to 10 times, spending 10 seconds in each chair. Alternate smoothly. Chair 1, current state, to Chair 2, fulfilled desire, then back. Over 10 to 15 minutes. Both should feel equally real. If your mind wanders, gently refocus on the physical sensations. 6. Apply to your desire. Once comfortable, after a few sessions, replace Chair 2 with a scene implying your wish fulfilled. For example, if manifesting financial abundance, feel yourself in a luxurious office chair, signing checks with ease, hearing congratulations from colleagues. Persist nightly until the desired state feels natural. As Abdullah taught Neville, faith is loyalty to the unseen reality. Repeat this again and again to train your mind to shift the awareness to achieve anything that you want in life. Trust the universe and never question on its reality. Instead, keep following it until you achieve it. Remember, what you are seeking for is already seeking you, hence you are drawn to that feeling.